You already know what it is. It's Job Playboy back again with another bang. What's good, YouTube? You already know what it is. It's Job Playboy back again with another banger video. And today I am here with as you can see by the title, I'm here with how to make your thumbnails, like how to make fire thumbnails. Like ricegum. If you don't know who ricegum is, you can go search him up. He got fire thumbnails. So I get asked this question a lot. How you make your thumbnails? How you make your thumbnails? How you make your thumbnails? I did a vote on my last video that I posted, and should I make the thumbnails, and that video got more votes, so that one got posted first. So now I'm about to do the how I make my thumbnail. So I'm gonna be screen recording. First I'm gonna put the apps right here that I use. So I use an app called Fonto, and I use an app called PixArt. So I'm gonna be putting the apps right there that I use to show y'all how to make it, and I'm gonna be screen recording every step that I do. So follow my Instagram. My Instagram will be right here. You're gonna see it pop up. It's gonna be somewhere right there. My Instagram, and add me on Snapchat too. We're about to hit 2K subs, so make sure you subscribe to the channel because, like, why not? So we're about to hit 2K subs, and make sure you like, comment, subscribe. And without further ado, let's roll that intro. Boom.
I got some real goons doing time. I know a real nigga from the side. I know some big boys getting big bag, cause the real shorts don't decline. I got a big piece of my name.
Alright, I was sitting here trying to find a good picture that I could use for y'all. So, alright. My fault. Oh yeah, I was up here trying to find a good picture for y'all. So, I got the picture. So, I'm gonna put the apps that you're gonna need right here. PixArt and Fonto. So, I'm gonna start the screen recording right now. 3, 2, 1. So, first, you're gonna wanna open PixArt. Just like this. Press the plus at the bottom at the purple, and it's gonna say so go click on the picture that you wanna make the thumbnail with. So at the bottom you're gonna see all these options right here. Press cutout. So after you press cutout, you're gonna see a little person right there at the bottom. So press the little person, and it's gonna cut out every person, and it's gonna cut out every person that the picture could detect. So as you can see, my body is now red, so it cut out me. And after that, you're gonna wanna, you don't have to, it might not, you could trace, like you could touch up, because sometimes it don't get like your whole body. As you can see, I'm touching up on this, the outline of it a little bit, and then hold up, I just erased it. Alright, so yeah, as you can see, I'm touching up on the body right there, and also, dang, what is wrong with me right now? Alright, yeah, so as I was saying, the body right there, and then on some pictures it does it for you, some pictures it don't. It depends on like how the picture's looking. So as you can see with this picture, it didn't do it for me. So after you finish doing it, hold up, I'm almost done. I just came with a ricegum gone. Alright. So, hold up, let me just get the top of the hat right there. Alright, so after, you can see everything right here. My whole body is red. So after that, you're going to press save. Hold up. You're going to press next at the top. Hold up. You're going to press next at the top. And then press save to your phone. So then after that, my fault, the screen recording has stopped, but you can see the ice came in today. Shout out Eliante for the drip. Shout out Icebox for the drip. Had to spend like 10K on the chain, but we're not gonna speak on that right now. You know what I mean? Alright, so like I was saying, you're gonna finish the outline or whatever. After you finish outlining your whole body, you're gonna press save. Hold up, let me start the screen recording back over. 3, 2, 1. I have to keep starting and finishing it because like on PixArt, I don't think it wants you to record. Alright, so I just showed y'all the thing. So after that, you're gonna wanna press the regular image that you started with. The regular image, you're gonna wanna put We'll do, oh, so you want to go ahead and press FX, and it's going to say blur. So after you press blur, hold down blur, and then put it on like 9. I like to put it on 9. You can put it on whatever you want to put it on. Press apply, and then after that, I'm going to want to go to stickers. Actually, yeah, first we're going to do this. Go to FX, effects, then you're going to want to go to pop art, and at the bottom you're going to see it say color gradient. So you can put it on whatever, but I'm going to put color 1 on purple and color 2 on purple, so both of them is on purple. And then after that, you're going to want to go to stickers. So I'm going to use this emoji right here, this icy face emoji, because you know this is a nice icy thing. So you're going to press border. You can put the border as any color, but I'm going to choose white for right now. Put it right there. So then after that, you're going to want to go to stickers again. Wait, hold up, my fault. Press apply. Then you're going to want to go to stickers again. Then you go to my stickers at the bottom, press cutouts, and then you're going to tap on the one of you. After you tap on you, you're going to press border, like I do. I'm going to put it right there. Alright, so you can see I got it on border just like that. And then after that, this is the last step on PixArt. You're going to want to press FX effect, then go to FX, and then go all the way to the back. Well, not all the way to the back. Like, you're going to see where it says vignette. I don't know how to say that word. I think it's vignette. So then you're going to want to press erase at the thing. Press erase for all of that at the bottom. Then you're going to see this little dotted box going at the bottom next to the person. Press the dotted box, and then you're going to want to hold the image just like that. You see how the image just did that little white box? You're going to want to do that. Hold up. Do that around the whole box. So you should see a little white box around it. So then after that, you're going to want to hold down the box, press draw, and then put the hardness all the way up to 100. So I put the black outline because it looks like it pops out more. You know what I mean? As you can see, the black outline, it catches the people's attention. So after that, you're going to press apply, then press next at the top right. Well, let me stop the screen recording. Gotta get a new one. Press next, save, and download it to your phone. So then now, start a new screen recording. 3, 2, 1. Now you're gonna want to open Fonto, and then press at the bottom this picture. Press photo album. The picture should be saved to your photo album. And as you can see, I got the thumbnail just like that. So then tap on the photo, press add text. So I'm gonna put how. Hold up. So I'm gonna put it in 3D. How? Actually, nah, I don't like it like that. How? To, just like that. Well, I'm gonna push the how over a little bit. 2, I'm gonna put the 2 right in the middle, regular, and then put make, just like this. Hold up, I'm gonna put 3D on that too. How to make, just like that. And then at the bottom word, I'm gonna put thumbnail. Hold up. Actually, I'm gonna split it. So I'm gonna delete that. I'm gonna put thumbnails. Thumb. And we're gonna press tilt it that way. And then next word I'm gonna put is nails. Even though it's supposed to be one word, I like how I look like this. So I'm gonna leave it just like that. Size, oh, I'm bugging. Tilt. Alright, so after that, you're going to press the thing at the bottom and then press save image, and they successfully saved. So as you can see, the thumbnail is looking pretty fire. So I'm going to end the screen recording now. Alright YouTube, but that's about the video for today. As you can see, it took me 10 minutes. It took me 10-15 minutes to make my thumbnails. As you can see, that was a pretty good thumbnail. I'm using it for this video because I do not feel like making another one. So let me know in the comment section if it was helpful, and make sure you like this video and give me the 2,000 subscribers. Right now I am at 1,945 while I'm recording this video, so give me the 2,000 subscribers. I'm 55 away. I will be doing a giveaway at 2,000 subscribers, so if you want to be a part of that giveaway, make sure you subscribe to the channel and leave a like. And without further ado, y'all Playboy out. Boom.
Can you make it better? Trap out like Griselda, post a whip